Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Integrating your Carrier boiler with Alexa is one way to simplify your home automation. First, make sure that your Carrier boiler is compatible with Alexa. This usually involves using smart thermostats like Carrier's Infinity or System Control. If your boiler is Alexa compatible, you'll need both the Amazon Alexa app and the Carrier Thermostat app to complete the setup. First, ensure your boiler is connected to the Carrier app and integrated with your Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Amazon Alexa app and enable the Carrier Infinity skill. At this stage, you'll need to link your Carrier account to your Amazon Alexa account. Once the connection is established, instruct Alexa to discover devices so it can identify the boiler. After Alexa recognizes the Carrier boiler, you can control it using voice commands. For instance, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the boiler," or "Alexa, set the temperature to 22 degrees," allowing you to adjust the temperature or turn the boiler on and off. With the Carrier and Alexa integration, you can heat your home more efficiently and control your boiler remotely from anywhere. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.